veneer peeling machine. As one of the indispensable machinery and equipment in the wood processing plant, inevitably there will be some common failures in the process of use. In fact, most of the failures are small problems. Mastering the solution will be able to quickly solve. Today, I will share with you the common failures of rotary cutting machine and solutions. Fault 1. Poor flatness of the plate. Causes: poor parallelism of the tool, roller run out, overpressure, serious shading of the wood, wood is too fine and bent. Solutions: tool needs resharpening, check whether the edge is flat. Fault 2. Diaresis 1/4 uneven plate. Cause SE 1/4 the knife is not in the right position, the knife is not sharp, and the knife gap is too small or too big. The wood is too dry or too hard, the carbon brush of electromagnetic clutch is falsely connected, the pressure bar on both sides of the knife table is not properly adjusted. Gap. Solution: C 1/4 the knife need to be resharpened and smoothed with an oil stone. When the knife position is too high and the knife slit is too large, the wood will jump at the time of very small rotary cutting surface. The board surface presents a curtain surface shape, and the wood core is quadrilateral or hexagonal. If the knife position is too low or the knife slit is small, the squeezing pressure on the wood is several times the normal spin cutting value, and only then will the spin-out board be deformed, causing the board's surface to be uneven. If the oil tank lacks oil, clean thin oil should be injected to avoid clutch centering or slipping. If the knife table is shaken when the wood is being rotated, it will also cause the surface of the board to be uneven. Fault 3. Diaresis 1/4 the remaining wooden shafts are inconsistent in thickness at both ends and the board is scalloped. Cause SE 1/4 the height of both ends of the knife is inconsistent, the knife slit at both ends of the knife is inconsistent, the single roller bearing is damaged, the screw appears loose and falls off, the knife table slides down the pillow, the bottom bar, the slide rail screw appears loose, the screw feeds the knife inconsistently. Solution: C 1/4 the impact of inconsistent knife slit at both ends of the tool is basically the same as the impact of inconsistent knife height, just need to adjust the same knife height. Knife slit can be restored to normal. The unbalanced, unstable and inconsistent knife feed will cause inconsistency in the thickness of the wood shaft, and the screws in each position should be checked in time for loosening and falling off, and the easily damaged and easily falling off in each position should be replaced. Well, the above is the Yoyo-sinoeuro machinery for you to bring the common failures of rotary cutting machine and handling methods. I hope it can help you. If you encounter some special failures, you cannot solve the problem well, remember to promptly contact the manufacturer after sales. After all, some problems still need professionals to solve.